In this video, you will learn just performing some arithmetic operation. Okay, so let's create one more section from here so that we can just categorize this. Let's add a section here and write it uh, arithmetic operation section. Okay, so here we have now new section here. Okay, now let's add code. Let me define few variables. Let's say a is equal to 5, b equal to, let's say, 2, and c equal to a plus b. Okay, now let me print a and print b, uh, print c. Let's say what is the output. Okay, you can see that 5, 2 and 7. So this was simple. Now let me show like print a equal to this. Now let me show this. Okay, now you can see that when I try to print like a equal to a, so now it is throwing an error. Okay, so what is the error? So most you can call last, you can see here must be string and not integer. It is throwing error because this is string and this is integer. It is not able to just print it. Okay, so now let's try like this. I'll show you the new way of printing it. Just write a comma here. Okay, now you can see here the print the value to this, and here you can see that this is the way. And this thing I wanted to highlight, like in Python you can print more values at a time. Just use separated by comma. So here you can see that I have just printed a string value, then I separated by comma, and then I just printed a integer value. So let me see this. Okay, now you can see here a and 5. So a is equal to 5. Now this you can also write like this, like b b c. See here. Okay, we'll just delete it or just leave it here. Okay, now let's see the output. Now you can see here that a is 5, b is 2 and c is 7. Okay, let me just redefine it like this so that every variable look alike. Like this. Oh, so we saw like how we can print more variables in a single with a single print command, or you can print like this as well. Now it will print one by one, like a is equal to b, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 7. So arithmetic operation is very simple in Python. You can just add one more. Here I am writing like, let's change it. Okay, or just write it, just change the value to uh, okay, leave it. Just click here, and now you'll see the value like a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3. Okay, now let me try multiply. Okay, a, b, and here it is, multiply. So this is very simple, and just with one more, that is divide. So these are the basic arithmetic operation, okay, that you can use in your code. Okay, so I think we are done for this lecture. In next lecture we will see more arithmetic operation or things like that. So thank you.